Happy Wednesday! So for today, as you can see, I have the whole ingredients of the recipe that I'm going to cook today. So I'm not expert with this, but I'm going to try. I watched this in YouTube and I want to try it. And this is all the ingredients. So I have chicken thigh already marinated with salt, and this is the chicken fat. I'm going to fry it later and mix with the rice, and this is the rice, and this is the water, and we have spring onion, of course a lot, because spring onion, it gives a lot of good aroma and taste. And we have red bell pepper, garlic, red chili, ginger, and of course onion, and of course oil and chicken stock. So yeah, I'm going to cook a Hainanese chicken, my version. So yeah, let's start cooking. So anyway, this is the chicken pot. I'm going to let it boil for a couple of few minutes until the oil juicy come out. So everyone, I'm going to start. Of course, before you start, you make sure your hand is clean. And this is the pot that I'm going to use, and this is the chicken. So now I'm going to put the chicken on the pot. This chicken is 6 pieces. Just like that. And ito po yung puwet ng manok, kasi ito po yung magbibigay ng mas lasa. Okay, okay lang yan. Malinis po yun, ha? And I'm going to add the spring onion, and I'm going to add garlic, ginger, of course, I'm going to add a little bit of green bell pepper. Supposed to be, I'm going to add red chili, but my mom, she doesn't like the spicy. So yeah, just for the aroma. And then I'm going to add water. Just like that. I think I need more water. And I'm going to add a little bit of chicken stock. And of course, pinch of salt. But nakalimutan kong ilagay yung salt dito. Kaya mamaya ako na siya lalagyan kapag nandoon na sa lutuan. Okay, that's it. And then, dagdagan po natin ng tubig. Kailangan lampas po siya sa manok. Kasi yung sabaw nito, yun po ang isasabaw natin mamaya doon sa bigas. And then, pinch of salt only because I already add some salt the chicken when I marinated. And just mix it and ready to cook until the chicken gets soft. But I think, based on the YouTube said, I need to cook it for around 20 to 30 minutes. And of course the onion. I'm going to slice first the onion. I'll be back. So, there you go. This is the onion. Okay. Ready to cook. So, ayan everyone. It's ready to cook na. Nakaset na siya. And takpan na natin siya. Hayaan natin siyang kumulo mamaya. So, while I'm cooking the chicken, I'm going to make the sauce. Chili sauce. I added ginger, onion, garlic, and of course the chili, red chili, and a bit of red bell pepper, and a bit of oil, a bit of chicken stock, and blend. So finally everyone, this is my homemade very spicy sauce, fresh. So this is my homemade sauce. Ayan na po siya. Maasim-asim na manamis-namis na super anghang. So as you can see, ayan, kumulo na po siya. Dahan-dahan lang natin siyang haluin. Ayan, ang bango. Sarap. Ayan, lumalabas na yung katas ng manok. Tapos yung sabaw po nito, yun ang gagamitin kong pangluto doon sa bigas. So, tikman natin. So, dadagdagan ko ng konting asin. And then, that's it. Siguro mga 15 minutes. Kailangan yung manok ay soft. And then, this is the chicken fat. I already sauteed in the garlic and ginger. See? Look the chicken oil. Oh, so good. The chicken oil, ito po yung gagamitin natin pang lagay doon sa other sauce. So, that's it. This is almost done. Now, I'm going to take out the chicken and let it cool down on a cold water. And then, the water from this chicken, I'm going to use to the rice. So everyone, this is the rice. Nahugasan ko na po ito. And now, as I've said before, I'm going to add the water from the chicken where I boiled the chicken. So this is 5 cups because I have 5 cups of rice. So just like that. And just mix. And of course, I'm going to add, this is the chicken pot. I already fry it, and of course, the spring onion. Just mix it. And mix it, and let it cook. So, very easy. For sure, the taste of this rice will be perfect later. Because it tastes very chicken. So now, this is the chicken. I put it in the cold ice water, and after 5 minutes, I'm going to take it out and let it dry. So that's it. So ayan, pinagprito ko po siya. Supposed to be, hindi po siya piprituhin, pero dahil version ko po ito, ayan, prepare ko po siyang prituhin kasi yun po ang favorite ng family ko. Ayaw nila ng mga parang steam na chicken lang. Kaya ayan, fried ko siya. I think more delicious. Hi everyone! Hello po! Kumusta po kayong lahat? So ayan, umuulan po ngayon dito, sobrang init, pinagpapawisan po ako kasi ako po ay busy magluto ngayon ng version na napanood ko sa YouTube, which is Hainanese chicken. Hindi po ako expert, pero yung ginawa ko ay based lang on my own way. Supposed to be, hindi po siya ipa-fried, pero dahil ang family ko ay mahilig sa fried chicken, ayaw nila ng mga steam lang. Kaya yun, fried ko na lang. Binigyan ko na lang ng twist, but I think it's a perfect twist kasi mas masarap. So I hope all of you, everyone, have a nice day. Ingat po kayong lahat palagi. And shout out to all my subscribers. Thank you everyone for always supporting my channel. So yeah, mamaya luto na ang lahat and kain tayo. So I would like to say thank you everyone for watching my vlog. Hi everyone! So finally, natapos ko na po yung niluto ko. And ito na po yung sabaw. And ito na po yung fried chicken na dapat steam pero gusto ko fried. And ito na po yung first sauce natin na spicy. And ito na po yung second sauce natin na spring onion with red bell pepper and oil. And of course, the best is the rice, chicken rice. So, let's eating everyone. Thank you everyone for watching.